Welcome to BestOfferPoint. On this channel, we share simple and honest reviews, website tools, tech guides, and online resources to help you make smarter decisions. If you're starting a website, growing an online business, or looking for the best tools to use, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you're choosing hosting for WordPress, SiteGround is a name that shows up everywhere. But is it actually worth it in 2026? Quick note, this video may include affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. SiteGround is famous for managed WordPress hosting built on top of Google Cloud for stability and speed. They focus on three things: built-in speed tools, deep security layers, and 24/7 expert support. Performance is where they shine. Their super cacher reduces database calls, making WordPress feel significantly faster. They also use ultra-fast PHP and modern protocols to optimize the server layer rather than just using default settings. A free CDN is included, which is perfect for reaching a global audience or visitors across North America. Independent tests consistently show strong uptime and fast response times, even under moderate traffic. Security isn't just a free SSL. SiteGround uses account isolation to keep your site safe from others on the same server. Automated daily backups are included. This is a lifesaver if a plugin update ever breaks your site. With data centers worldwide, you can pick a location close to your audience for the lowest possible latency. Managed tools like one-click staging and automated updates save you hours of maintenance every month. Staging allows you to test changes safely before pushing them live, essential for any business site. They offer 3 tiers: Startup for one site, Grow Big for multiple sites, and Go Geek for advanced priority tools. Remember, intro deals are great, but renewals are higher. Buy it for the performance, not just the starting price. The pros are speed and support. The cons are higher renewal costs and fixed storage limits. Choose SiteGround if you want a serious, fast, and safe WordPress site with great support. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video and share it with others. Subscribe to BestOfferPoint for more reviews. You'll find the recommended links below. Thanks for watching.